Hi everyone, it's Jack again. Welcome back to Quick English Lessons. So, picture this. You're in a restaurant. The waiter comes over to your table and asks, "Are you ready to order?" And out of nowhere, you freeze. You know what you'd like to eat, but you don't know how to ask for it naturally in English. Don't worry. In this lesson, I will demonstrate exactly how to order food at a restaurant like a local. We will walk through actual conversations, practical phrases, and frequent mistakes, so next time you can order clearly and confidently. Let's begin. Section 1. Greeting and getting a table. Okay, let's begin at the beginning, when you go to a restaurant. If you require a table, you can say, "Hi, do you have a table for 2, please?" "Hello, do you have a table for 4? "We'll have a table by the window if you can." Mini dialogue example. "Hi, good evening. Table for 2, please." "Sure, right this way." "Thank you." Natural, simple, and polite. Section 2. Reading the menu. When you sit down, the waiter will typically say, "Here's the menu. I'll be back in a few minutes." You can say, "Thank you." Or, "Can we have a few more minutes, please?" Example. "I'm still deciding. Could we have a few more minutes?" "Of course. Take your time." Nice and polite. Section 3. Asking about the menu. Now, perhaps you notice something you don't know about. You can ask questions like, "What's in the chicken pasta?" Or, "Is this dish spicy?" Or, "Does this come with rice?" Or, "Can I get this without onions?" Example. "Excuse me, what's in the chef's special?" "It's grilled salmon with vegetables and lemon sauce." "Sounds great. I'll have that." Boom. Natural and confident. Section 4. Ordering your food. When you're ready to order, don't just say, "Give me." That sounds a bit rude. Try these polite options instead. "I'd like the grilled chicken, please." Or, "May I have the pasta with tomato sauce?" Or, "I'll take the veggie burger, please." Or, "Could I have a side of fries?" Example mini conversation. "Are you ready to order?" "Yes, I'd like the grilled salmon and a glass of water, please." "Would you like any dessert?" "Not today, thank you." "Could we have the check, please?" "Sure thing, I'll bring it right over." Great. Smooth, friendly, and natural English. Section 6. Ordering drinks and sides. When they ask about drinks, you can say, "I'll have a Coke, please." Or, "Just water, thanks." Or, "Can I get an iced tea?" And for extras or sides, "Can I add a salad to that?" Or, "Could I get some extra sauce?" Or, "Can we get some bread on the side?" Example. "Can I get an orange juice and some garlic bread on the side?" "Sure thing." Section 7. During the meal, talking to the waiter. If the waiter comes to check on you during your meal, they may ask, "How's everything?" Or, "Is everything okay?" You can answer, "Everything's great, thank you." Or, "It's delicious." Or, "Could I get some more water, please?" Example. "How's your meal?" "It's really good, thanks. Could we get a bit more water?" Good and polite. Section 8. Asking for the bill. When you've finished eating, don't say, "Give bill." That's not natural. The preferred way to say it is, "Can we have the bill, please?" Or, "Could I get the check, please?" American English. Or, "We're ready for the check, please." Example. "Excuse me, could we have the check, please?" "Of course, I'll be right back." Easy and straightforward. Section 9. Paying and leaving a tip. On paying, you can use, "Do you take credit cards?" Or, "Can I pay by card?" Or, "Keep the change," when tipping with money. when in the US, it's the norm to leave a 15 to 20% tip. Example: "Here you go. Keep the change." "Thank you. Have a great day." Section 10. Most common mistakes to avoid. Give menu. You can say, "Can I have the menu, please?" Next, "I want pizza." Say, "I'd like a pizza, please." Next, "Bill, please." "Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?" These tiny adjustments make you much more polite and confident. Section 10. Practice mini conversation. Practice together. "Hi there, are you ready to order?" "Yes, I'd like the grilled salmon and a glass of water, please." "Would you like any dessert?" "Not today, thank you." "Could we have the check, please?" "Sure thing, I'll bring it right over." Great! Smooth, friendly, and natural English. Section 11. Quick recap. Let's quickly recap. A. Ask for a table. "Can I get a table for two, please?" B. Ask about the menu. "What's in this dish?" C. Order politely. "I'd like," or "Can I have?" And D. Ask for the bill. "Could we have the check, please?" And always say please and thank you. And that's how you order food at a restaurant like a pro. Outro and call to action. Your turn now. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant? And if you enjoyed this lesson, remember to like, subscribe, and activate the bell icon so you never miss another quick English lesson. Thanks for watching. This is Jack. See you next time, and enjoy your meal.